Does this conglomeration look like your last glue-up project? Woodpecker's newest one-time tool, ClampZILLA, eliminates that clutter, simplifies panel glue-up, and gives you flatter, truer panels. Let me show you how this beast of a clamp works. As I tighten down the screw, the clamping pad is pushing against the edge of the stock, applying lateral pressure. At the same time, the scissor arms are squeezing together on the upper and lower bar, applying vertical pressure. Let me give you an extreme example. I've got some 1x4s here straight from the home center. They're warped and twisted in every possible direction. I haven't done a thing to them. Now I know in your shop, you'd run these across the joiner and through the planer before you started gluing them up. I'm not going to do that today. I want to see exactly what ClampZILLA can do. Watch as the bars of the clamp pull the twist flat. And the powerful screw brings the edges together. ClampZILLA's normal range is from 5/8 of an inch up to a full 2 inches. If you need to clamp thinner stock, place a board above and below your workpiece. If you have stock thicker than 2 inches, just put a spacer on both sides of your work. To give us some insight into how ClampZILLA got its name, I've invited the tool's product developer to join us. Steve, how did ClampZILLA get its name? I see. And how much pressure was it putting on? Wow, that's a monstrous amount of pressure. So, if you're tired of using dozens of clamps to get your panels sort of flat, you're ready for ClampZILLA.